We're all familiar with the daily frustrations of cleaning stubborn stains from our hard floors. In particular, dealing with messes like muddy paw prints, food spills, and hair, especially wet hair. We've engineered the Clean and Wash Hygiene to overcome this problem. Our dedicated hard floor cleaner that provides a hygienic clean from start to finish. The Clean and Wash Hygiene is incredibly light in hand. Its low center of gravity was created by putting the dirty water tank into the cleaner head, making it really easy to maneuver all around your home. And it flattens to 113 millimeters, so you can easily clean underneath low furniture. And with everything kept in the head, there's no loss of performance. And it also cleans right up to the edges, where dirt and debris often accumulate. It features our most absorbent roller, with 84,000 densely packed microfibre filaments and embedded with nylon bristles to assist with hair pickup. With each filament acting like a cloth across the surface, this enables it to pick up dust, hair, and debris like a vacuum, while simultaneously washing away spills and stains. Different messes require different levels of hydration. That's why we've engineered 4 cleaning modes, so you can adjust according to your cleaning needs. For example, level 2 is for everyday debris, and max mode is for sticky, stubborn stains. We've engineered a unique hygienic waste system, which captures and separates wet and dry debris, keeping everything in the cleaner head. This removes any long and complex pipes where dirt and debris can get stuck, preventing internal clogging, build-up of sludge, and any additional maintenance. Clean and Wash Hygiene also features an anti-tangle comb, which removes long hairs from the roller, preventing them from tangling. The head design makes maintenance simple and hygienic. At the sink, simply lift the sealed waste system, slide out the debris tray, tap the contents into the bin, before finally emptying the dirty water tank. With large flat surfaces, the debris tray is quick and easy to rinse clean. Clean and Wash Hygiene has a self-clean cycle. This flushes the whole system and the roller with clean water, so you don't have to manually clean them after every use. After washing, it dries the rollers with hot air to prevent bacteria and odours from developing. This machine comes with a bottle of Dyson Probiotic Probiotic hard floor cleaning solution, with its unique blend of probiotics that deep clean at a microscopic level, leaving fresh smelling floors as well as machines.